how are you going to confirm whether the dry board is actually bad and not just the compressor, right? So that dialed function on that meter is going to help you determine that.
You have step-by-step instructions of how to do that diode test in the service manual. Keep the instructions
Yes.
and make sure you know how to use your meter and you know what every single icon on that meter means and what resolutions you can set it to. I'm not speaking against all, but I've had many calls where I've actually had to pull up somebody's meter, pull up the instructions, and tell them how to use their own meter. So I'm not trying to say this is a stab or anything. I'm putting it out there as advice. It's your tool. You should know every aspect of that tool and exactly what that tool can do for you. If you don't know how, if you find things in that manual and it has test procedures of that meter that you're not sure what it means, then I would do some of my own research to determine when that would be useful to me and understand that part of that meter. The meter is only as good as the person that's operating it.
Just like
So,
Alex was saying, that most important tool
is
being the brain.
right?
Knowing how to use that multimeter.
But that was a really good point, Greg, because knowing how to use your tools is really important, because I know, for example, I've installed some GREE units, and they have really good helpful tools along the way, the stickers on the unit, and to tell you and explain things to you. But if you don't know how to use your tools, like to just be more knowledgeable and to be a better technician, I think is a desirable trait. And it's not to put anybody down, but to help people up. Give them a hand up. People don't know the things they don't know. So, by sharing that knowledge, like on this podcast, that's a huge benefit to everybody.
Well, the more they know, the less work they're going to end up doing in the long run, because they're going to know exactly how to do the troubleshooting procedures, and then go to what Jesus was talking about is we're only replacing the components we absolutely have to replace. We're not replacing components we don't need to replace.